Hello everyone, I am Tanisha Vaishnav, Civil Purchasing Communications Department, GC Corporate. Today I am going to discuss about pumping lemma for CFG. There are two types of pumping lemma. First is pumping lemma for regular and pumping lemma for CFG. I am discussing about the pumping lemma for the CFG. CFG is for context-free grammar. So, properties of context-free grammar. This pumping lemma also known as the properties of context-free grammar. How we can check what is the condition of pumping lemma, that it will decide it that this is not a CFG. Basically, pumping lemma is used to decide that this language is not CFL. If these are the condition going to be true, then there may be chances that this is CFL. But if this condition are not true, then we can say that this is not a CFL. So let us take an example, like if there is a language L is a CFL, there exists an integer n such that for all x belongs to L. X is the string of the language L, where x is greater than equals to n, there exists u, v, w, x, y, z, x, y. That is u, v, w, x, y is basically, we can say that this is the medium part, this is the substrings of the languages. So if x contain u, v, x, w, y, and when the middle part of the string is less than equals to n and the corner part is greater than equals to 1, for all I belongs to 0, the language for all I greater than equals to 0 means for I equals to 1, for I equals to 2, for I equals to 3, this string belongs to the L. Then we can say that this is maybe a CFL. But if these conditions are not true, then we can definitely say that this is a not CFL. Now take an example. Suppose we have to check that L equals to x की power n, y की power n, z की power n, and is greater than equals to 1 is a context free or not. So the first step is this, that we have to take that L is a context free grammar. Means this is the contradiction statement. So this is the context free statement. So this first step is that we have to be let that L is a context free grammar. The next step is that we have to choose the number n for the pumping lemma and then take p as 0 की power n, 1 की power n and 2 की power n. ठीक है, or we can also take as p as x की power n, y की power n and z की power n. So break p into u, v, w, x, y. We have take n as a 4 value, then this string is x की power 4, y की power 4, z की power 4. If we are dividing this into u, v, w, x by this, then this string will like this. If we are taking 4x, 4y and 4z, we just check that this is v double x, the green symbol represent w, the blue symbol represent y, and the black symbol represents z, and this black symbol represents u. So this is how we can divide the x string into u, v, w, x, y. So checking the condition 3. What is the condition 3? That for all I, u, v, w, x, y belongs to the L. So this is the condition 3. For u, v, w, x, y, for all the I belongs to L. Now take the I equals to 2. The string is u, v, w, w, x, 2 and y. What is the value of u? U is single x, written the single x. V ka square. V ka square means we have v2. Then v ka square is 4x. 4x. Then w. W means x, y, 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 z. Then x ka square. What is x? Here the x is y. Means z ka square. Z ka square. Then written the last one is y. That is z. So this is x ki power 6, y ki power 4 and z ki power 5. Where in the starting these symbols are the same, like x की power n, y की power n and z. All the power are the n. But now what we get, that x की power is 6, y की power is 4 and z power is 5. So this is not equivalent, means this string does not belongs to the L. So if this string does not belongs to the L, means the third condition is not satisfied. So we can say that L is not a context free grammar. So this is how we can check that this grammar is context free or not. Pumping lemma is basically used to check the context free grammar that this language is not a context-free grammar. Pumping grammar does not use for checking that this language is context-free. But if the condition is not true, then we can definitely say that this is not a context-free. So this is all about the pumping grammar. Thank you.